Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. You know you're already part of the what? The grateful gang. We out here in nature, out here in this sunlight, enjoying it. Yes, I'm at work. I have goals, okay? And I'm starting to work on my discipline because that's the word of the year, and I feel like I really haven't been on my game, but we're not gonna let this second half of the year pass us by without working on it. So if you're like budgeting videos as well as follow me on my journey to home ownership, because we're going to get this house, y'all. We're going to get this house, okay? And you like all that or anything budgeting, cash stuffings, all that jazz, budgeting, all that, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the little red button, make it turn gray. You know how that go. It is free 99, so I mean, why not? Today's video is going to be another house showing. I need to upload these to the YouTube so that I can turn in this phone and get a new phone, because your girl needs a new phone, because they told me I had to, or else they were going to cut my service off, period. So I'm uploading these videos at any moments that I can. This one was a townhome. I really did like this townhome. I thought it was a really nice townhome. It needed minor upgrades, very move-in ready. The only thing that stopped me was I didn't realize how far the commute was. And if you are into home buying, you know it's location. Like, I want to be able to, I don't want to spend my days in the car. I can't remember if I showed you guys this one already. I don't think I have. But if I did, my bad. But let the video roll. Here you go. Love the floors. Coat closet. The whatever that thing is called, closet. Let me give y'all an overview. Stairs are this way. I'm gonna have to get used to stairs. Love the fireplace. I actually like this paint color. These floors are everything. I don't know why they set this up like this, because it's not, maybe because the thing is on an angle.
Wait, why would you not set up like this?
I don't like it.
But I would also do like
I wouldn't do it like this. I don't know. I bet you it's probably the best way, but I just don't like it.
It kind of flows with the room, though. Yeah.
I think it looks weird, guys.
The rug angle, I mean, everything just flows.
I don't like it. Y'all, I'm very symmetrical, so to me that looks weird, but it probably is the best way. But this is a cute dining area. I like the color they chose, which is not normally my jazz. Okay, don't love the countertop, but honestly, it's better than that other house. Oh, I wish they continue the floors. The tiles are nice. Okay, that cabinet, clearly the doors, but that's okay. You know, I just changed cabinet doors. Is this bigger than I thought it was gonna be?
No, it's upstairs.
Okay. I like the laundry. It's right here. Ugh. That kind of stuff, but it is just one bill, which is what I'm learning to love. Oh, it's a pantry. So excited about that. This whirlpool snail, y'all. Double sink. Let's see outside. Yeah, another overview. Nice light. Like, yeah, it's bright in here, which I appreciate. Loud dogs in the back. But a nice backyard. Nothing too big. There's a bathroom downstairs. Bathroom is very orange, but that can change. Oh, I love that there's a half bath downstairs. Decent sized half bath. I like that. I didn't realize there was a half bath downstairs. Those dogs outside are annoying. As soon as you open the door, I got free guard dogs. Stairs. These are free.
Oh, free.
Okay. This is a decent room. I hope it's not the master. bet you I'm not gonna open that other one. I like the ceilings. It's a townhome, so not expecting huge rooms. These two are pretty identical. Like mansion closet. Looks like there's a, it's weird, all the knobs turn on downward. Oh, linen closet, that's nice. Master bedroom. Oop. It's, oh, y'all can't really see, but it's, I show y'all all these people's clothes, but it smells great in here. I mean, I feel like that's the queen. Oh, wow, there's another closet. 2 closets. Oh, and a bathroom. People obviously still live here. Hi, guys. Yeah. This is cute. Let me see if I can give y'all from 360 from the bathroom. Closet. Closet. And then I'm standing in the bathroom. And then there's another bathroom out here for, I guess, the guest bedrooms. Hi again. Yeah, it's cute. I'm about to say there better be a fan. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. And you can see, you won't be able to see why I didn't put an offer on this because it was a beautiful townhome. However, like I said, the location was a little off for me. I'm sorry for the noise. All right, guys, remember, orders be great. You have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, you guys. Remember, faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever. See, Tasha, I did it right this time. Love y'all. Bye.